After that, you go and click the network devices. So in network devices, you have to choose the sub option wireless devices. In wireless devices, you have to select the access point. So please look into that access point, the type access point PT. You have to place the access point here. After that, you have to click the end devices. So in that end devices, you have to select PC, PC0, PC1, then laptop 0. Okay. So now each end devices by default, which one it is there means that is that Ethernet only available. But we have to remove that default Ethernet and we have to place the Wi-Fi Ethernet. So after placing the Wi-Fi Ethernet, here the design somewhat it will be changes. That one also I will explain. Go to click the PC. So this is the PC on off switch. Whenever we have to do any changes, first we have to switch off the PC, select this Ethernet and you have to place here. After that you have to select this Wi-Fi, then you have to place here. After that you have to switch on the machine. After switch on the machine, can you see this one? The link it was happy. So you have to do the same thing other PC also, that is other end devices also. First you have to switch off it, then remove the existing Ethernet. This one it is on Wi-Fi. You have to place the Wi-Fi Ethernet here. After that you have to switch on. Please you have to look into these changes. Yeah, I done. I done. Okay. After make the changes, the link it was create. The same it will be applicable for this laptop also. So in laptop the power button is here only. So you have to switch off the laptop first. Then this Ethernet. I think this is the Ethernet port. You have to remove the Ethernet. Then you have to place the Wi-Fi here. So after placing the Wi-Fi, you have to switch on this machine. Can you see the difference? Now it will be switched. You can see the link it was created. So after that, we have to configure the access point. So when we are going to configuring the access point, we have to provide the authentication also. That option also available. So better we have to work with the authentication level that is good for our environment. Okay, so the authentication it will be protect our home network from the outside network. Click the access point. So after click this access point, let us go to click the configure option. The port 0 by default it will be the regular Ethernet. The port 1 it will be showing us that Wi-Fi Ethernet. Here the SSID, that is SSID is the individual ID for each and every access point. Now this ID name I am going to configure as CSC underscore Wi-Fi. Can you see this one? By default, the name of the SSID is an default only. So after that, I'm going to enable this authentication, whether this one or that one or anyone. So better I can choose this WPAT PSP. So can you see these changes? So by default, there is no authentication, but I try to do the configuration in the authentication purpose. So after selecting the authentication, the link it was disabled. Let us going to that is give the passwords. That is the password. Password is I'm entering as Kare CSC. So after did this changes, I'm going to close this access point. I'm going to close this access point. The password should be minimum 8 and maximum 63. Correct CSC 25. So now the condition it was satisfied. I'm going to close this configuration. So after that I'm going to click this PC, then desktop, then PC wireless. Here you can see the option in PC wireless. Click the connect option. After click the connect option, which one it is configured in that access point, it will be showing here. Select this access point, connect. Then you have to give the input, that is password carry CSC25. After make the connectivity, you can see again the link it was created. At the same time, you have to click the desktop option, then IP configuration. Okay, so instead of DHCP, now you have to use static. So 192.168.10.1 by default you can use. Okay, then close it. So for the pictorial representation, 192.168.10.1, 192.168.10.2, 192.168.10.3, 3. So go to make this configuration, desktop, PC wireless, connect option. Yeah, Wi-Fi it will be showing. Click the connect option, then give the password, array CSC25. Now click this connect option. Again, the link it was enabled. After that, go to you have to close this one. Then IP configuration, which IP we are planning to update here, 192.168.10.2. Click the static option, 192.168.10.2. Then that's all. IP configuration is over. Click the laptop, desktop, PC wireless, connect option. Please wait a minute. Yes, you have to select the access point, then give the password array CSC25. Click connect option. Yeah, the connectivity it was established. Then close this one. Go to that IP configuration. Click static 192.168.10.3. That's all. By default, we can use it. So after that, we have to check the connectivity. It will be success or failure. Click this option. Then command prompt. Execute the command first. Verify the IP address. So in wireless connection, please look into this Ethernet. In wireless connection, what is the IP address? 192.168.10.1. By manually which IP we given, that IP address it will be assigned in the machine successfully. So after that, we can execute the ping command 192.168.10.2. That is, we are trying to ping from this machine to this machine. Yeah, successfully we got a response. Okay, there is no any connectivity issues. After that, we have to verify that another machine also. Here also we got a positive response. So now the basic task it will be over to design a wireless network. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.